All right, this is a log home project that's being built by one of my log home students. Okay, him and I are kind of working, student consultant thing, and he's going to build the house here, and then he's going to sell the shell. What he didn't have was a site and equipment, but he had the motivation, so we're doing a project together. And this is the typical work that people do once they get trained at the Montana School of Log Building. Okay, this is what's called a full scribe log home. That means the laterals, the saddle cut, everything is scribed within the Canadian log building standards. That means that your laterals, the copes, are right around 3.5 to 4 inches. So you can put insulation in there and have a well-insulated wall. The saddle notches are tight. The logs are dried. There should be very little settling in this home. So, what we're doing is we're fitting these logs down real tight with the scribe method. And this home, you'll meet Alex a little bit later, but I know he's selling this log shell, so, that was his opportunity. That was the help that he needed. So at this point, he's got a little bit of work to do. He's still got some more things to learn, but, he's only a junior in college, and he plans to use this as a way to help him pay for his, engineering education. Hey, you'll meet Alex. He's a lot of fun. He built a nice log home. He's got a few more rounds to do, but, it just shows you the talent that people can pick up. He did this with 5 days of training at the Montana School of Log Building. Boy, this is a nice fit. Really nice.